If you need welding and cutting solutions for your wind turbine, for your pressure vessel, oil tanker, or pipelines, just come to Boda. Boda serves 2 Fortune Global 500 companies with products including Welding Column, Welding Rotator, Positioner, and CNC cutting system. Meanwhile, the Shanghai Essen Welding Fair is upcoming. Be sure to visit our booth.
Now you see the houses for the painting. The rotators will bring the wind turbine here and painting in this house. And the neighbor house is for the sand blushing. Now you see the sand blushing house. This house is for sand brushing, and the moving tab rotator will bring the wind turbine to this house, and will do the sand brushing here.